Yes.
Okay, all right. It's still connecting.
Mm.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right. So let's let's look at the question there. Bakang, are you in? Okay,
Yes.
okay, let's go started. A farmer has chickens to sell, okay? And the cost of one chicken, you're welcome, Bakang.
Yes.
The cost of one chicken is 48, and he sold 80% of the chickens in the morning. So calculate the number of that was sold in the morning. So it's 48%. To work out this, to work out this one, number of chickens in the morning, that is in the morning, will be 8% of 250. And this will give you how much? This will give you how much?
Mm.
Gives you how much? How many chickens? Calculate 8%. That is 8 out of 100 times 250 chickens. Is how much?
It's 20.
Is 20.
Yes.
Okay. So we have 20 chickens. Now, farmer sold 36 chickens in the afternoon. So in the afternoon, we have 36. In the morning, we sold 20. So calculate the total amount of money he made for the sale of chickens in the morning and afternoon. Therefore, uh, total money will equal, we have 36 plus 20, and the answer we get we multiply by 48, so that we can know how much dollars we got. And that is what it will be. How much? How much?
36.
36 plus 20 is 56. Multiplied by 48. Is how much?
2,688.
2688. 2688. Okay, that's good. All right. So if you're done with copying, I can erase it. Okay, I can erase. Okay.
Yes.
Am I clear, Bakan?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Then we move to the next question. Next set of questions.
Mm-hmm.
Question.
Mm-hmm.
The question says, form an expression in terms of the perimeter. Perimeter is the outline. Perimeter is
The
the
distance we around.
distance around
Shape.
the shape or outline. That is what we call the perimeter. So the perimeter
Yeah.
is x plus 3x minus 2 plus 2x plus 1. And then this becomes what? X plus 3x plus 2x is 6x. Uh-huh. And then we have -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1 is -1, isn't it?
Yes.
Directed number.
Yes.
Directed numbers. For example, -2 minus 3 is what? Minus 8 is equal to what? You can also have a number like -10 plus 2 is equal to what? Such kind of questions. Those are called directed numbers. Okay. So you can work them.
Yes.
Now the perimeter is 35. So form an equation in terms of that. They're just saying to form an equation. So we follow instructions. So we have 6x minus 1 is equals to 35.
Yes.
Then here we solve the equation. So means 6x minus 1 is equals to 5. Okay. We
35.
carry that across the equal sign, it becomes positive. So we have 6x is equals to 36, isn't it? Because it's positive. So then we divide both sides by 6, divide by 6, and our x is equal to 6. Are we together?
Yes.
You're flowing, huh?
Yes.
Right, perfect, perfect. So what is the answer here? What will be the answer here? What will be the answer for this one? -2 minus 3
1.
is -5.
Was it?
Okay. -4 minus 8 is equals to what?
-12.
-12. -12. And what about -10 plus 2 is what?
Isn't -8?
-8. Bakang, I can't hear you. You are unmute your mic. Your mic is muted. All right. Can we move on to the next part?
Not yet.
Okay. Done it then.
Can move on.
Okay, all right. Okay. Okay. So we're moving on now. So we're clear up. Yeah. So now we can calculate the length of AC. AC is 2x plus 1. AC is 2x plus 1. AC is 2x 1. And we find x is equal to 6. So we are sitting here. This implies it will be 2 into x plus 1, which is 12 plus 1, which simply is what? 13. So, right. All right, can we clear?
Not yet, sir. Yes, sir, I'm done.
Yes.
Okay, So now we have a bar graph there.
Yes.
So it shows the number of visits made by 25 parents to the school. The number of visits, those who made one visit are 7, those who made 2 visits are 8, those who made 3 visits there are 7, those who made 4 visits there are 3. So state the mode. Mode is the one with the highest frequency. Mode. So mode is equal to highest frequency. This is obviously what is 2. So it's 2. Calculate the total number of visits by the parents. The total number of visits are, we have those who made 1 visit, there were 7, plus those who made 2 visits, there were 8, plus those who made 3 visits, there are 7, plus those who made 4 visits, there are 3. So this becomes what? Is equal to what?
It's 7.
Hmm?
7. No.
Yeah, how much?
Into
Yeah, how many?
56.
56. Okay. Then here we are supposed to calculate mean. And mean
The number that appears the most.
is given by the sum of x over sum of f, and this is 56, what we have found there, divided by 25. So that gives you how much? Is how much?
2.24.
2.248.
2.2.
Yeah. Right. Excellent. Okay. Can we move on?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Number 17, here we go. The question says, read the diagram below shows the 3 points PQR. It's shown there. We form a right angle triangle here, and we can see, okay, this is 65. So what is the bearing of Q from P? Q from P. They want the whole of this angle here. Q from P, which will be 55 plus 90. Okay, that's the bearing of Q from P. And that gives you how much?
145.
145 degrees. Okay, all right. And therefore,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
next question is calculate the size of angle PQR. Okay, CRQ. This angle here. So we have this is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. This is the antijacent. So we have an
Adjacent.
and adjacent, we use what? We use R, all right? So we say cosine of PRQ is adjacent, which is 140 over 340. Okay, and so PRQ will equal to the inverse of that cosine. You divide both sides by cosine, 140 over 340, and this will give you how many degrees?
Mhm.
0.41.
Okay, then you go second shift and you hit the cos button.
Oh,
It gives you what?
yes.
It gives you how much? Nothing. It gives you what? Buffering.
Mm,
Second function. You know how to get
divided.
the second function of a calculator. If this is my calculator there, the second function button is this one. The yellow one. Is it yellow or orange? Yeah, they call it orange. I don't know. So you touch that button, but you must make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. If you are not sure it's in degree mode, you go back here and you pierce this small hole there. Okay. Then from there you hit this button, cos. That gives you. Then you go to the cos where it is written cos. It will give you cos inverse. Cos inverse. Okay. Then open bracket. You open bracket. Open bracket. Then 140. 140. 140 divided by 340. 340, you close the bracket and then you hammer the equal button there. And it will give you what? It will give you something like that. Okay? So you should try with your own. If you have your own calculator, you should try that. So it gives you
Yes.
65.7.
Stupid.
65.7. 65.6
Yes.
is the same as
You rounded off to the.
one decimal place.
You rounded to
Good.
Yes.
All right. All right. Now with that one, we can calculate the distance between P and Q. Distance between P and Q. Oh, I'm switching off.